Hey everyone, and welcome to another Wilkes University tutorial video. Today we're going to look at and hopefully understand your financial aid information. The first thing you want to do is log into the MyWilkes portal and go to the Student tab. Click on the Student Services drop-down, and then scroll down to the My Financial Aid box. Now, most of the information on the Student tab we have covered in a different tutorial video, but let's look at these three links. My Financial Aid information has basically a list of contact information because different questions you have will go to different departments. For example, the financial aid office, or maybe to billing or the registrar. So make sure to check that out. The financial aid forms deal with verification for the FAFSA. And then if you click on the financial clearance options, it's going to take you to a page on the Wilkes website where you can understand how to make arrangements for financial clearance. And I encourage you to read this in its entirety because there are multiple options for clearance, but this does need to be done by 10 days prior to the start of term. So make sure to check it out. Back on the student tab, I'm actually going to bring us to the My Account box because a lot of the practical financial aid information is here. Now, we're going to check on the Pay on Account link because that's going to take you to the primary program we use for financial aid information. And it looks something like this. Obviously, yours will be personalized with your account information, but you have access to see your account, make payments, understand our payment plans, which are a 5 installment plan per term, 3 in the summer term, and there will be a $25 charge, but it is interest-free. So this could be a good option for you guys to consider. And then, of course, you can look at the deposits, refunds, and so forth. Further down on the My Account box, you have the option to understand and sign up for the payment plans, as well as get a link for employer tuition deferment if your employer offers that, and maybe you qualify for book vouchers. So there's a lot of other links that we could go into that are somewhat related to financial aid, but I will leave it here for now. Make sure to take some time before classes begin to go through the student tab and become as comfortable with these links in all of these boxes as you can. And until next time, I appreciate you joining us for another tutorial video. Take care. Talk with you soon.